You guys are our core group of family and friends that we consider family, and we just want to thank you all for everything and for being here, and and for today. And I don't know what else. Yeah, sorry.
I've known Laurel forever, but I have never seen her more happy being exactly who she is than since meeting Michael. Somebody who loves her, to the core, nothing makes me happier. And I've never seen my best friend the best version of herself she could possibly be, and that's because of you. I love what you are together. You're a beautiful complement to each other. It's a pleasure to be around the two of you, and I love what you're creating and what you're creating with your families and your friends, and I am making Michael cry. No, I really, truly couldn't say. I mean, I could just go on and on about how happy I am that you guys met each other, and I and everybody else, we all get to be a part of your journey. So, I love you. Congratulations. You're freaking married.
Marriage.
Michael, you are you're a lucky man, period. In addition to that, now you found the lucky woman to accompany you. To know that this man now gets to help you guide your path through the next chapters of your life. You are a lucky woman. Why me? So let's all raise our glasses to joy and happiness.